Question 6 is on series. Question A is asking us to use a ratio test to find the interval of convergence of the highlighted series. So we set up the ratio test. Basically, we substitute n plus 1 into the nth term, and then multiply it by the reciprocal of the nth term and put it in absolute value. Now we can just cancel out things that can be canceled, and then we get x squared in absolute value. And this converges when it is less than 1. So we know this series converges absolutely for -1 less than x less than 1. Now we have to use the endpoint test. When x equals to -1, the series is -1 plus 1/3 minus 1/5 plus 1/7 minus ... This series converges by the alternating series test. When x equals to 1, the series is 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/5 minus 1/7 plus ... This series converges by the alternating series test. Therefore, the interval of convergence is -1 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 1. For question B, we're asked to find the error. So we set up the equation. And we get 1 over 24. This is less than 1 over 10. For question C, we're asked to find the first 4 non-zero terms and the general term for an infinite series that represents f prime of x. Basically, we just go back to each term in the original series and find out its derivative. And this is what we get. F prime of x equals to 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4th minus x to the 6th plus ... plus -1 to the nth power times x to the power of 2n. For question D, we're asked to find out the value of f prime of 1 over 6. And from our result in question C, we get the equation, which is obviously a geometric series, and the common ratio is -x squared. So we put them into the equation to find out that f prime of x equals to 1, which is the first term, minus the common ratio, and we get 1 over 1 plus x squared. Then we substitute 1 over 6, and then we get 36 over 37, and this is our result for question D.